Hello everyone. Einstein's theory of relativity is considered one of the biggest breakthroughs in science. It is really important for everyone to learn this interesting theory because it has a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. Einstein's theories of relativity, which contains two parts, the special theory of relativity published in 1905 and the general theory of relativity published in 1915, together bring a revolutionary shift in our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Now let's understand these theories in a really simple manner. Let's begin with his theory of special relativity. He published this theory in 1905. One of the main principles of the theory states that the speed of light is constant in a vacuum and is the same for all observers regardless of their motion relative to the light source. The second is that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in inertial, non-accelerating reference frames. This part of the theory also deals with time dilation, length contraction, and mass-energy equivalence. It explains how time is not absolute, clearing a misconception traveling for many centuries. Einstein said that time can dilate or contract depending on the observer's relative motion. He also introduced his famous equation E equals mc squared, in which E stands for energy, m for mass, and c for the speed of light. This equation demonstrates that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. To sum it all up, in the first part, the special theory of relativity, he explained how speed affects mass, time, and space. To give you an example, a person traveling faster than another will have time pass faster for him than a relatively slower one. Now let's move on to the second part of the theory, which is general relativity. Einstein published this in 1915. The main principle in this theory was that gravity is not a force between masses as described in Newtonian physics, but rather the result of warping or curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. In this part, he also explained curved spacetime, which is massive objects like stars and planets warp the fabric of spacetime around them, gravitational time dilation, which is that time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields, gravitational lensing, which is that massive objects can bend the path of light, and lastly, he also explained the existence of black holes. These two parts together, which made the complete theory of relativity, collided against classical Newtonian physics and suggested a better explanation of the behavior of objects at very high speeds. Now that we have understood this theory of relativity, let's look at the impact of these theories on our world. Einstein's theories helped us understand space and time. It established the concept of relativity in time and that time can dilate depending on the observer's motion. Specifically, Einstein's general theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of gravity. Einstein suggested that massive objects like stars and planets curve the fabric of spacetime around them. Einstein's theories also have many practical applications, not just abstract ones. For example, his theory explains why clocks on satellites are ahead of those on Earth by 38,000 nanoseconds. His theory also led to many advancements in technology. The development of technologies like particle accelerators and space-based telescopes has been influenced by the principles of relativity. Engineers and scientists must consider relativistic effects when designing and interpreting experiments and observations. Einstein's theories also have had a profound impact on our philosophical understanding of the nature of reality. They have also influenced discussions about the nature of time, the structure of the universe, and the limits of human knowledge. So the two main important takeaways from the theory of relativity by Einstein are that the speed of light is constant for all observers, and second, that observers moving at constant speeds should be subject to the same physical laws. Thank you for listening.